Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Evertrade, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video. In today's segment, we'll be talking about gold prices, which bounced initially from our support zone, but then prices started to retrace, and now the price is moving to the upside again. But the question is that where the price is really going to go from the current levels where it has bounced, and how high can it really go, and what are the next important support and resistance levels are. That is exactly what we are really going to focus in this video. As always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer and risk warnings. Anything which will be discussed cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, as always, I'm going to bring out the MT4 platform, and let's have a conversation initially based on the support zones that we mentioned before. So this was the particular support zone right over here that we were talking about, and then we picked up the support zone looking at this particular area of support. The price did bounce to the upside, but it failed to continue its journey to the upside, and it reversed its direction well below the 50, 100 and 200 day simple moving averages. Basically, in other words, the price started to move lower from our defined area of resistance, and then it violated very quickly that support zone that we mentioned in our previous videos. So all in all, the positive way of looking at it is that the price moved from our defined area of support, and then price came to our area of resistance, and it started to move to the downside. Now overall, when we look at the gold price on the daily time frame, there is no doubt that the overall trend is to the downside, and then prices are very much skewed to the downside. So now the question really is that where the prices can really continue their journey. That means that we have to readjust our support and resistance levels. So the one of the major support level that we'll be really looking at now, because the prices are still very much in a downward trend, is really going to be right around over here. So it's going to be between 1661 to 1668. And the second support level, that the immediate support level that we'll be very much focused on, is going to be a level on top of that level. So just right over here where the price recently bounced. And then that also means that we need to readjust our resistance zones, the one that we mentioned before. So this particular resistance zone, we're going to keep it where it was, just right over here, and we're going to bring this resistance zone down a little bit, just over here, so at 1841 to all the way to over here. So now let me zoom into the prices and then show you what we have really done over here. So we have two important levels. First of all, what we have is one support level, which is between 1661 to 1681. Then we have another support level, which is at 1702 to 1719. Then we have our first resistance level, which is same as the previous one at 1801 to 1818, and then the second resistance level at 1841 to 1859. Now, overall, looking at the prices, there is no doubt that the RSI still very much remains in an oversold territory, and prices are likely to bounce to the upside. All right, that's all for now, and I'll see you guys next time.